Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we will be replacing the transmission filter in the 2014 Chrysler Town and Country. Let's jump in it and get this thing replaced.
Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm Zachary with Sell Those Flipping Cars, and in today's episode, we're replacing the transmission filter on the Chrysler Town and Country, okay? It also comes with the chart, and I had to order the dipstick as well. Guys, if you do not know where to actually put your transmission dipstick in your Chrysler Town and Country, I'm going to throw the link in the upper right-hand corner right now, showing you how to check your transmission fluid in your Chrysler Town and Country. All right? So today we are going to replace the transmission filter. This does come with the gasket as well, so you don't have to worry about that. We're going to replace that. Then we're going to fill up our transmission again with new fluid and then check it with our new transmission dipstick. Guys, if you need any of these parts, I'm going to throw them in the video link description down below. That way you know where to find them. But enough talk about it, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, now we're all jacked up. Make sure that when you're jacking up your vehicle, you do chock block the back. Okay, you don't want this thing rolling on you because you can get severely injured. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and get out our creeper, and I'm gonna take you guys below, and we're gonna see what we got. All right, here we go, guys. So we got two pans down here. You have one on the left, which is this one, and one on the right, which is this one. Which one's which? Easy way to tell is there's a drain plug on the one on the left. See that? There's a drain plug, that's your oil pan. Okay? The one on the right is your transmission pan. There is no drain plug. This is going to get a little messy. All right, as you can see, I have my drip pan set up right below the transmission pan. It is an 8mm bolt that is holding that thing in. I'm going to go ahead, zip it off, go ahead and get this thing replaced. All right, the transmission pan is off. As I said, it's going to make a mess. A little tip: when you have your drip pan, have it near the back, the furthest part away from you, because that's where most of the fluid's going to come out, and that's where I got it all over the floor. But that's okay. That's why we have kitty litter or dry sweep, whatever you use. That way you can get that cleaned up. All right, so I'm going to take this pan now, go ahead and clean off the old gasket on the transmission as well. Make sure that's all cleaned off. Okay, you see right here, it looks like we're going to need an Allen key to take out the transmission filter. All right, so that thing is in there pretty solid in the neck piece, especially since it's been in there for a while. Let me show you guys real quick. You see this piece right here? That's what it's stuck in. Now you have a torque, a T25 screw here and here. Do not loosen this one off. You don't need to. Here I'm looking at the transmission pan. I was wanting to know why it seemed like I had a leak coming from the transmission. Well, I did. It was coming from the transmission pan. And just like your engine, a common leak is the oil pan, because people do repairs like this. This isn't the gasket. This is RTV. So it means somebody came in here, tried to fix it really cheap instead of spending 20, 25 bucks on the new transmission filter and gasket. So I'm going to clean all this off with a putty knife, wipe it down, get the new gasket prepared to be put on there and reinstalled. So also, guys, a very important part when it comes to your transmission, transmissions are just like engines. The viscosity of your transmission fluid changes how you are going to shift. And a lot of people think it's because, oh, my transmission's going out, it's not shifting good. But they totally forget about the transmission filter and the fluid. So let's finish this up. You see, I went ahead and took the bracket off. I took it off because the seal needs to come out, okay? Your new transmission filter comes with a new seal, so it'd be wise to put your new seal in while you have it here, okay? Use a seal puller to get that out. Use your seal puller to pull out the seal to the transmission, okay? Just like that. You can pick it up at Harbor Freight, Amazon. You can pick it up anywhere. All right, let's get it back under here. All right, so that's the seal you want to take out. We got our new one right here. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take some of this transmission fluid, use it as a lubricant. Just going to put it around there a little. Get the good stuff. Yeah. Get the good stuff that's just leaking out. Okay? You see how you want to put it around the edge there? Then you want to put it in there and just all right, the new gasket is in. Dipstick holder is also back in. Now it's time to put the transmission filter back in. Tighten the T25 torque bolts down, the two, the one that goes here and the one that goes here. Okay, and then you can put the gasket with the transmission pan back on. Remember, all the bolts that are running the outside of the transmission pan are 8mm. Okay, once we do that, we can go ahead and lower the van, and it'll be time to fill up the transmission fluid. Guys, hey, if you are liking this video and this video is helping you change your transmission filter in your Chrysler Town and Country, smash the subscribe button over here, okay? Also, if you like the video and it's helping you out, hit the like button. Subscribing and liking the videos tell YouTube and myself that I'm doing a good job with the videos and you like the content, you want to see more of it. So when I see that, I want to make more content for you guys. Also, don't forget that you can leave questions, comments in the comment section down below. So if you have any questions about this repair, don't forget to leave them down below. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this transmission filter back in, throw the pan back on, and get this van down so we can go ahead and add the fluid back. So here we go, guys. All right, so the van's back on the ground now. Go ahead and remove your big plastic piece on top of your engine. It's going to give you more room to work. Down here, X marks the spot, guys. Right below it is your transmission dipstick spot. Okay, so what you're going to do is what the dealer wanted was for them to be the only one to work on it. You see that? All right, for dealer use only. That's why there was no drain plug on the transmission pan It's because this is supposed to be a quote-unquote maintenance-free transmission. That's what they call it, even though Chrysler says every 100,000 miles you need to replace your transmission filter. Now, how are you supposed to do that if it has no drain plug and you don't have a dipstick? Well, you have to take it to the dealership, and they're the only ones that can do it. So this is the way for you to do it without taking it to the dealership. You already replaced the transmission filter. You emptied out the transmission fluid. Now we have to add it back. So you're going to need a long funnel, okay? You're going to stick that right in there, okay? Yes, it's a terrible, terrible spot. Yeah, but that's Chrysler. They want to do it because they want you to go to the dealership. So you're going to pour slowly, okay? Remember, when you're checking your transmission fluid, the vehicle needs to be in neutral and it has to be running, okay? Do not put it in park. Do not put it in drive, reverse, nothing. Neutral, and it has to be running. Do not rev it up. It just has to idle. You come up here, you check your transmission fluid, and you do it until on your sheet it'll say Chrysler Town and Country. You're going to go over 2008 to 2015. Yes, that's our engine. It's the 3.6 liter. It's going to be Chart B, Chart Bravo. That's the one you want to go for. Jeez, what is up with this thing focusing today? All right, remember, this thing comes with your dipstick. So Chart B will put us right up here, okay? Maximum is about 48, okay? Minimum is about 33, okay? Open up this dipstick real quick so I can show you guys the numbers that are on it. All right, so here's your dipstick. You're going to want in between 32 and 48. See on there, you have all your numbers, okay? 32 and 48. All right, so let's go ahead and fill it up, and then we can go ahead and check the transmission fluid. See where we're at, guys, okay? All right, guys, so there you have it. The 2014 Chrysler Town and Country transmission filter replacement is now complete, and you are good to go. Remember, the transmission dipstick is for testing purposes only. That's why it's so super long. It doesn't fit all the way in there. You're supposed to test it and get it out, okay? No problem. Make sure you go off the chart that was sent with the dipstick so you have the correct amount of transmission fluid.
Hey everyone, wasn't that easy? Replacing your transmission filter will give your transmission a longer lifespan. Don't forget to top your transmission fluid off just like I showed you in the video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button so YouTube and myself both know I'm doing a great job on the videos. Thanks everyone, and thanks for watching.